Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family some financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link her shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Matcha March Madness. That's what I think I will call this. We are hoping, you and I are hoping that we can come back every Wednesday and stuff this binder. I've gone ahead and gotten a bunch of freebies that were matcha themed. Cassie J is working on completing a matcha theme, and it's not in this binder as at the time I am filming this, but we will make sure to add it at some point. If it's available, you'll find it down below. So I want to add our freebie into this binder. But today we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We have 40 bucks today. So what I decided to do is I have 11 savings challenges. I'm going to take the first 6 and I am going to roll 3 times. And then after I roll 3 times, I will grab the dice and roll for the last 5. Let me make sure it's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. Okay. So my plan of action is correct. We'll roll for the first 6. 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There has to be a better way to do this, but today we're not going to worry about it. 6, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 4, 5. Now what we'll do is we'll roll for the last 5. 2, 1, 5. All right, and now we have 2 left, so we'll roll. Let's go ahead and roll for the last 5. 5. Ooh. Okay. And then we'll roll for the first 6. This is great. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was actually thinking about splitting these up. Instead of doing $40 today, I was thinking about doing $20 on Wednesday, $20 on Friday, since it is they're all freebies. But I figured let's just do it with whatever we wanted to do today, and then if it changes next week, it's okay, you guys. We're just saving money. I figured since we have a little bit of cash flow this week, we'll go ahead and go for it. If there's any changes, I will keep you up to date. Hopefully, we can get through the month of March saving some money using these matcha savings challenges. So the first savings challenge did not get any cash. This one is from Hot Beauty Budgets. The second savings challenge did not get any cash either. Simply Tea Plans. So cute. They're all so cute. That's my issue was, I was like, okay, well, I'll just choose 6 of them, right? Because usually, you know, 6 dice, you know, whatever. No, they're all so cute. I felt like, and plus the more savings challenges I have, the more money I can actually save. I pulled out my green markers to have some options, and this one got $5. This savings challenge is from Envelope and Company. Envelope and Co. I'm not certain exactly what they go for, but saving $5 there. Yay! Matcha Girlies from A Spooky Budgets, and we're going to add $5 there. And I was thinking about doing these all $1, but let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do, because if we can't complete it all by the end of the month, that's okay. We'll see what we can save. You know, I was thinking make some of them $1, and I think some of them will naturally be $1, and some of them we can make $2. All right, and the next savings challenge is from Toya Denise Budgets, and we're going to add $5. I think what we can do is, should we do each one of these $1? Yeah, because there's quite a few on there. I think we'll do these $1. All right, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for matcha money. And by the way, I went to the library to print these up at no cost with my library card. I'm working on getting a printer. However, what I decided to do was I was not going to laminate these. So if you are looking at trying to find an alternative for printing options, check out your local library. $5 there. All right, and then we've got $5 going into our next savings challenge, Matcha Vibes, and this one's from Dreamy Budgets. And let's see here, we have a $5 right here. 5 buckaroos. Yeah, see, this one is going to save me a total of $44. If I can finish it, that's great, and if not, that's okay too. I'm hoping that by next week, this week actually, at the time I'm filming this coming week, my co-workers were trying to convince me to pick up extra shifts so we can all hang out together. So I might, but if that's the case, if I do pick up extra shifts, that'll be perfect because that'll give me some extra funds to put towards my savings. All right, so this one's from She's Got It, and I think what we'll do is, dang, that seems like a lot of money if I do $5 for each. I'm just gonna go for it. Like I said, if there's any issue and I can't complete it, that is okay, you guys. $5. I'm gonna write that on there because I have one that's $1. I think I'll have a couple more that's $1 as well, or some of them that are $2. I'm telling you, but I'm telling me too. I'm reminding me. And also, if they're not completed, that's okay, right? Just start to save, and then by the end of the month, I think what I will use this money for is me money. So I think I will do something fun just for me. That's my plan. We'll see how all that goes. We're adding $5 here. And I think I was going to make these $2. This one's from Breezy Budgets. And I think what we'll do is each icon is $2. So we have 2, 4, and we'll draw half a heart for $5. And I think it will save me $24 when it's completed. Let's write that in there so we can kind of know what our goal is. Yay! Yay us! That's very exciting. Oh, this is so fun. I miss savings challenges. I miss saving. I was kind of sad that I wasn't continuing my Freebie Fridays. So that's why I was like, let me think of something while I have some room to save. This one is for the Love of Matcha from Lady Luck Saves, which is not getting any cash today. And I'm not certain exactly how much those are going to be. We'll see how much when we come back, because quite a few of these seem like they're going to be a little bit more than I wanted. And this one's from Breezy Budget too. So this one is Hot Girls Drink Matcha, and this one is from Breezy Budget as well. And our last savings challenge, it actually came in micros, and this one is from Blessed Budgets by Abigail, and I think I want each one of my, this one's getting $10 today. If I do $2, this one's going to be almost finished. Should I make these $5? Whoa, that's a lot of money. Do I think I can do that? How about today, we'll put these as $5 and then we'll revisit and see how much, if these need to be $1 going forward. So we're just going to put $5. So we have 5 and 10. Okay, that is a ton of money at once. But while I have the cash, I think it's a good idea, you guys. I want to focus on saving, and I want to do something special for myself at the end of this month. Hopefully we will have our apartment approved and be ready to move and all of those things, and I will definitely keep you posted. You all have been so kind and supportive of my wild ride, so I want to see how everything turns out for us. I will be sure to link these ladies down below. I did mention before, these are all freebies. So I think that was another reason why I was so very excited to actually work on these savings challenges. It didn't cost me anything. I had the binder already. The dashboard I made on ChatGPT with the caricature, how do you say it, option. And so I went to the library and I printed my dashboard, and I printed up the savings challenges that I have in my binder, and everything was already free from with the these are old envelopes that I just had laying around. I took the zip off of them, so it just ended up being free. I used what I had, and then whatever I didn't have, I used as close of a free option as I possibly could in order to make this binder. So hopefully next week we will add in the other savings challenge, and we will get it rocking and rolling, and excited. I'm very excited to see how this all turns out for me. I was thinking put, $1 to each, but I'm like, man, put as much as you can in there. So then that way you have more money to play with at the end of the month. But I'm excited to see how everything turns out, you guys. I want to thank you so much for your support and for you all coming back and cheering me on. I truly, truly am so grateful. I don't think people realize it, and truly how much of a difference it makes for me. My idea of just sharing my journey is it's so mundane and so plain, but people are like, that's okay, because it's not about glitz and glam for everybody, and it's not about big money for everybody. Although that's my favorite to watch, is big money. I'm just as intrigued as everyone else when it comes to the big cash stuffings and the tons and tons of savings that is taking place, and seeing people save for long-term thousands of dollars. I love that. That is I aspire to be that and do that one day. But for now, we're going to do these small savings. And I mean, this is big for me, actually, $40. And then hoping to keep coming back and doing it again. But we'll see how next week goes, if I can get some cash together. And then also, if I'm able to pick up some shifts, then maybe even just one shift, I'll be able to make a big difference. But thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.